Hello and welcome back. Hope you are good, doing well. So this is going to be the pound yen update. All right. So if you remember that in the previous video analysis, we were expecting this to drop from that. Okay, update and setup. All right. So the previous setup is played really well. So short-term target is hitting. All right. Now we're gonna have update and this possible next opportunity for the future. Okay. Now let's look at the previous video analysis first, and then we're gonna talk about the update. Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the pound yen chart. All right. So if you remember that on the pound yen, we were expecting a daily wave or weekly wave from that previous top to go all the way back to that low. All right. So the recent wave on 4-hour time frame or the next leg, which we have just seen on the pound yen, was that. All right. And price is just simply correcting there. All right. The correction which we were anticipating in the weekly market outlook, which we are having that. And it's setting up for another breakdown all the way back to that low, right? So we are still having another leg lower potential over there on the pound yen all the way back to that low, that target, which is 148.90. We can say that. All right. So if I'm going to look at the updated chart and I'm going to check there. Okay. So correction is already underway on the pound yen. I'm going to pull up some trend lines. Okay. So it's setting up for another breakdown. Okay. So that move. So I'm going to make it more simple analysis for you guys. Just simply you are looking price to stay within these 30-minute moving averages, okay, and do not go beyond those 30-minute moving averages. Or if I'm going to pull out some fib lines over there, okay, those are the fib lines. You are the max correction, you can say that is the 50%, okay. So price shouldn't go beyond that 50% retracement of this previous wave for the next wave, okay. So yeah, so if this goes there, it shouldn't go beyond that for more upside, and should not yeah, obviously this impulse is still there. It shouldn't go beyond that for the bearish trend to stay intact. I'm not anticipating this to go that much far away, by the way. All right, just find your entry somewhere there within these areas, okay, up to 52 to 500, up to, I mean, the max price correction is 150 to 50, right? And you're finding your entry at this area, okay, at this previous top, or let the price get back within the moving averages, okay, that this to hold that area, that 38% retracement, and then this is going to be the short-term trade. Your short-term target going to be that, and the breakout all the way back to that low, okay. So you're watching that breakout, and price to just simply tag this previous low. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. So you are breakout entry also can happen over there, but right now it's not good to go for a breakout entry, right? So breakout entry going to be there on a sharp move, aggressive move to the downside. So that's going to be a bit late. So you're watching price to just stay below that 150 to 50 and finding your entry around these prices. Okay, 152, 152, 50 within these areas. All right, so hope that makes sense and you got the idea what you're looking for. All right, and if I'm gonna look at this, right now it's forming a flat formation. We can say that, all right, this flat formation, and setting up for next breakdown. Let me pull up some more arrows there, right? Yeah, like that. Okay, this is going to be the short-term trade, and this is the breakout you are looking for simply. All right, so hope that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye. All right, so that was the previous short-term opportunity. We already had that. Okay, so 30-minute move is already appeared over there, back to that previous low. So short-term target is over. If you went for that, great, enjoy that. All right, so if you haven't, yeah, then wait for the price to push up for another leg, okay. Expanding triangle formation. All right, expanding triangle formation to form, okay, and price to hold that previous top or moving average or SMA, okay, and then continue to keep dragging lower all the way back to that low, okay. If we don't see, right now I'm expecting price to push for another leg higher and test that top. If that doesn't come, okay, and the price keep dragging lower, okay, then break, slightly go more lower and then start correcting for another time. All right, and then break down very aggressively, okay, and test that floor, okay, this sharp move after having that correction. All right, so if you went short and target reached, all right, you can take out. If you want to hold it for more downside, you can hold it, okay. So the target, the longer term target which we were expecting from the previous daily top, all right, so is about to reach, okay, on the pound yen. Yeah, so the target on the pound yen from the previous top is about to reach. Let me try to find a daily chart. All right, the daily chart which we were having on the pound yen. All right, so bear with me. Yes, there you got. So this target, the longer term target is about to reach. All right, so we were expecting that wave to start from 158 and reach to 149. So this target is about to reach. If you were a longer term, having longer term short on it from that top, the target is about to reach. So short term trade, which I have just shown you on lower time frame, that still can happen. So good luck, and we'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.